Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol COHO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and just makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis yesterday, so that's where the green and red line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely want to get things updated here, as there's been quite a bit of price action that has occurred to kick off the week. Now, before I go any further, I do want to note that from a presentation standpoint, where I sit right now, this is a pretty tricky chart to talk about. In fact, I'm just going to get rid of these lines here. Yeah, they pertain, but I want to just kind of really approach this from a KISS perspective, keep it simple, stupid. And the reason it's, it's difficult is, well, it really just depends on you. What do I mean by it depends? Well, let's say that you're a day trader, flipper, whatever you want to call yourself, and you bought right there, or maybe you bought right there, and you wanted to sell within, 25 minutes after buying. Well, then, yeah, for you, from that point of view, the chart's looking pretty rough. The chart's not looking very good at all. Now, let's say that you bought and you care about the big picture of things. You care about more so than just, a flipper / day trader perspective. Well, sure, the price is pulled back, but from the big picture, the bulls still have plenty of opportunity to build a higher base. And as long as you have higher bases being built over longer periods of time, that's how long-term uptrends are constructed. I'm going to be talking about things from a big picture point of view. So if I sound crazy calling something bullish, my guess would be you probably had more of a day trader / flipper type perspective going into this. And really the easiest way to demonstrate this, hence the KISS method, is just to kind of let's look at where the price essentially found support, and that was right here at 0014. And let me do this so we can get more of a broader sense of things. There we go. So 0014, like I said, is essentially where the price bounced from today. And then you look at, the previous set of lows was 001, and then you look at these lows down here, and then you look at these lows down there. Not to insult your intelligence, but if you kind of picture each one of these as stair steps, well, what do you have? Well, you very clearly have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction, and that's the name of the game. That's what you want to see from the grand scheme of things viewpoint. Again, I'm well aware that if you bought up there as a flipper, then you couldn't care less about these stair steps, but that's why I try to offer up a warning that I would be talking about things from a big picture point of view. So sure, today the price pulled back, but stop and think about that word, today, as in 1 day. Looking at multiple days, which is what we're doing here, you can see the bulls do still have plenty of opportunity to build a higher base, so that is certainly going to be priority number 1 moving forward. So yeah, let's see if the bulls can chip away and build that higher low or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.